Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK culture questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. We are having CMAT crash course. It includes detailed day-wise schedule covering all the important topics, and the price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. We are having CMAT mocks as well, which is ₹299. Link is given in description and please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's check the first question. Bhagta Parab, a tribal festival that is celebrated between the period of spring and summer, originated in the state of Dash. The correct answer is B. Jharkhand. Bhagta Parab is best known as the worship of Buddha. Let's check the next question. Who among the following is not a well-known tabla player in Hindustani classical style of music? The correct answer is C. Amjad Ali. Amjad Ali Khan is an Indian classical sarod player best known for his clear and fast ikhara tans. Let's check the next question. Rangoli Bihu, one of the major festival of Assam, is celebrated in the month of Dash. The correct answer is B. April. Let's check the next question. Mayurbhanj Chhau is a folk dance form of which state? The correct answer is C. Odisha. The warriors in this dance dress in their traditional costumes and follow strict techniques of Chhau while performing the dance. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is a well-known place for Chikankari embroidery? The correct answer is D. Lucknow. So Chikankari is famous in Lucknow. It is the one of Lucknow's best textile decoration style. Let's check the next question. Where is Bishnupur, which is famous for terracotta temples, located? The correct answer is C. West Bengal. Let's check the next question. Ganga Sagar Mela is celebrated on the occasion of Makar Sankranti from 13th to 15th January every year in. The correct answer is A. West Bengal. Let's check the next question. With which of the following musical instruments was the musician Palghat Mani Iyer associated? The correct answer is A. Mridangam. Let's check the next question. Daskathia is a form of ballad singing prevalent in Dash. The correct answer is C. Odisha. So, Daskathia is the name derived from unique musical instrument, that is Kathi or Ramtali. The performance is form of worship and offering on behalf of the Das, the devotee. Let's check the next question. Under which act does the Archaeological Survey of India protect monuments, sites and remains of national importance? The correct answer is A. AMASR Act 1958. The full form of AMASR is Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains. Let's check the next question. Matki is a popular folk dance of which of the following states? The correct answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. So it is a solo dance performed by ladies on special occasions like wedding, birthdays or any other special occasions. Let's check the next question. Which instrument was produced by blending Indian Veena and Iranian tambura? The correct answer is C. Sitar. Let's check the next question. Dhimsa is a tribal dance form of which Indian states? The correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is a popular dance form of Lakshadweep Island? The correct answer is A. Kolkali. Let's check the next question. Mekhela Chador is a traditional dress from the state of. The correct answer is C. Assam. This is a two-piece cloth similarly worn as a sari. The upper piece is called chador and the lower piece is called mekhela. Let's check the next question. Kharchi Puja is a famous Hindu festival of which state? The correct answer is D. Tripura. Let's check the next question. The Kathakali dance is a harmonious combination of dash forms of fine arts. The correct answer is A. 5. Kathakali is a classical Indian dance form and it is the folk dance form of Kerala. Let's check the next question. Guru Parv is the most important and sacred festival of the Sikh community. In which of the following months of the Hindu calendar is it celebrated? The correct answer is B. Kartik. Let's check the next question. With which of the following states, union territories is the Dumhal folk dance associated? The correct answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. It is popular folk dance of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Let's check the next question. Ghumra is the old folk dance of which Indian state? The correct answer is D. Odisha. So the dress code of Ghumra resembles more like a tribal dance. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.